My name is Magdalena Regdos. I'm a registered massage therapist at Whistler Myofascial Release. Well, myofascial release is the treatment of the soft tissue of the body. Myo specifically means muscle and fascial means connective tissue. And who would benefit from myofascial release? Anybody who would like to lead a pain-free active lifestyle, anybody who's had chronic pain and tension in the body. So myofascial release is a form of therapy where we apply gentle, sustained pressure into areas of the body that are tight. These tight areas in the body can cause pain and restriction. So athletes benefit from myofascial release by improving their flexibility, and people with chronic pain benefit because oftentimes myofascial restrictions don't show up on an MRI or an X-ray. But as a myofascial release therapist, we examine your body live. We look at how is the body moving, and then we look at how is the tissue in your body moving. We do an assessment with our patients on a daily basis. We look at joint mobility, we look at muscle contraction, and then we actually feel into the body. So myofascial restrictions are felt. They're not seen on traditional imaging exams, as we're not dependent on the images that come from X-rays, which don't even show the restriction. We depend on our ability to feel restrictions, which can cause debilitating pain and pressure in the body. So an example would be scar tissue. The myofascial system forms the scar tissue in the body. And if somebody has had, say, a really bad fall and hurt their back, as soon as the body is injured, it wants to heal itself and it already goes into this state of healing. And the fascial system will send in the inflammation response, and then it'll send in reinforcements to tighten the area to prevent it from getting any more damaged. After a few weeks, you want to look at, is that restriction getting tighter and tighter, and you need to get it released, because it tends to create this straitjacket within our body, which doesn't show up on traditional exams. So we kind of start removing the straitjacket with assessment, showing you different exercises or self-care that you can do. And it's really great because it's gentle. So myofascial release is really rooted in the fact that the body is capable of healing itself. So myofascial release will actually enhance the results of a massage treatment. So it complements all the other forms of therapy because it opens up the system. We're affecting the muscles, the nerves, and with myofascial release, we're getting down to the cellular level. So the ability of the muscles to get nutrition gets better. The ability of the nerves to communicate, because the environment of the nerve tissue becomes more fluid, then that gets improved. So what I find is that we say that myofascial release, it's not the be-all end-all, but it really complements the effect of an osteopathic treatment and a physiotherapy program. So I would recommend myofascial release therapy for anybody who's experienced chronic pain and wanting to live a pain-free active lifestyle. I would also recommend it to anybody who is reached a plateau in their athletic performance and wants to get to that next level of improving what you're already doing in a more enjoyable manner.